Are you tired of staring at Jira's blank screen, unsure how to create a project without messing up permissions? Here's the exact click-by-click process. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll go from feeling completely lost to confidently setting up a brand new project with the right template, name, and access settings. We'll start from your Jira dashboard. Navigate to the Spaces area, pick a template, name it, set how it's managed and who can see it, then finish up with just a few clicks. It's a lot simpler than it looks once you know where everything lives. So let's jump in. Start from your main Jira dashboard. This is your home base, and this is where you want to be before doing anything else. Now, look at the left side panel. You'll see a section labeled Spaces. This is essentially where all your projects live, and it's your starting point for creating something new. Find the small plus icon right next to the word Spaces. Go ahead and click on it. This is the button that kicks off the whole creation process. And here's where it gets interesting. A new screen pops up, and now you can choose from a variety of space templates. Jira gives you a bunch of pre-built options, so you don't have to start from scratch, which is a huge time saver. Notice on the left side of this screen, you'll see a list of categories. This is your filter. It helps you narrow down the templates based on what kind of work you're doing, so don't just scroll randomly through all the options. For this example, let's pick a category that fits. We're going to choose software development. Just click on it, and the main area updates to show only templates related to that category. It cleans things up nicely. Now you can see a focused list of templates. Take a moment to browse them. Each one has a little description so you know exactly what you're getting. Click on the one that feels right for your project. For instance, a Kanban board is great for tracking work in progress, while a Scrum board is better for sprints. Once you've made your choice, click the Use Template button. This tells Jira you're ready to move forward with that setup. Next up, give your space a name. This should be something clear and recognizable, like the name of your team or the project itself. Just type it into the field. Now, here's a really important part. You'll need to choose how your space is managed. This is about who can control the project settings. You have a few options here. You can manage it yourself, or you can let a specific group handle it. Think about who on your team needs those admin rights. Then choose the access level. Who can see this project? You can make it open to everyone in your organization, or you can restrict it to specific people. If you're working on something sensitive, keep it tight. If it's a team-wide initiative, open it up. All right, you've done the heavy lifting. Now it's just a matter of confirming your choices. Click on the Next button. This is the first confirmation step, and it takes you to a summary screen. Click on Next again. This is the second confirmation. Jira is walking you through the final checks. And one more time, click on Next for the final confirmation. Your project is now being created. Give it just a few seconds to process. And there you go. You've successfully created a new project in Jira. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering where to start. From here, you can start adding tasks, inviting team members, and actually getting work done. It really is that straightforward once you know the exact steps to follow.